In this video, we're going to talk about how to solve equations like this, essentially. So we've got this equation, 5/3 equals 6 over x. We want to figure out what x is. I'll grab a new color. I want to figure out what x is. So equations like this are actually quite easy to solve. You just have to understand the concept of cross multiplying. So what you do is this whole equation is equal to this times this set as equal to this times this, right here. So I'll go over it more. Actually, we'll use this color again. So it's equal to 5x, 5 times x, set is equal to 6 times 3. It's called cross multiplying. So what that means is this is same as 5x equals 3 times 6 is 18. And this can be solved with normal algebraic, sort of the normal algebra you're used to. So divide both sides by 5. And then we get x is equal to, it's 3 3/5. And 3/5, which is the same as 3.6. So gives us our answer. So I'm going to use another example really quickly. Say we have 6/11 is equal to x over 13. So if we cross multiply, we've got 6 times 13 is equal to 11x. So I chose these because these are two prime numbers, make it a little bit more tricky. So 6 times 13 is going to be 60 plus 18 is 78 is equal to 11x. So if we divide both sides by 11, because it didn't make it that much more tricky, divide both sides by 11, you've got 7 and 1/11 is equal to x. And so it's going to be just under 7.1, so it'll be like 7.9 or something. But you can work that out on a calculator. So the general principle here, get another one, is we've got a, b equals c, d. This whole thing is going to be the same equation as just as if we were to say AD equals CB. And if you think this through for a second, it makes sense, because what we've got here is got a fraction. If we wanted to get rid of this whole term over here, what would we do? Well, we would just invert it. So CD times DC, but we'd have to do it to the same side over here. So we would have DA CB. D times A over C times B equals 1. Then we could multiply both sides by the denominator over here and get AD equals CB. So you can skip all that extra algebra if you just go ahead and cross multiply. So the top over here times the bottom over here is equal to the top over here times the bottom over here.